Alright, welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to actually connect these two LMBs, Mytv, the LMB receiving Mytv Africa signal, and then the LMB receiving Multitv signal to one satellite receiver. Okay, so every satellite receiver have one LMB input. Okay, so for you to get these two LMBs to one receiver, you need to use a DiSEqC. So here is a DiSEqC. This is a 4-in-1 DiSEqC switch. DiSEqC is a tool that actually enables you to get different satellite signal on one receiver. Okay, so this will help you to get both Multitv signal and Mytv signal on one receiver. Alright, so you first have to get a piece of cable. Get your coax cable. The length of the cable will depend on where you need to place or you need to link the DiSEqC. Okay, so here connect your first cable. Okay, and we connect another cable. So here you need to first check whether you are still having a stable signal before you go ahead to fix the DiSEqC. Alright. So here is the cable for Multitv signal. Okay, so you need to check whether you are still having a stable signal before you go ahead to connect the DiSEqC. So here okay, so here's the Multitv transponder right there. So I'm having a stable signal. Okay, so here you connect your cable. I'm putting it on in DiSEqC. So here is the receiver port. So I'm setting it in the DiSEqC LMB port 1 over here. Okay, that's for the Multitv. And then this is the cable for Mytv Africa satellite signal. So you need to check whether you're having a stable signal on that one too. So you key in 10804 30,000 horizontal. Okay, okay, so I'm having a stable signal also. Okay, so here you can go ahead to connect the cable to the DiSEqC. You can actually choose any port that you want. I'll just need to change the settings, the DiSEqC settings, whenever you are about to scan. Okay, so I'm inserting in LMB port 2 over here. So Multitv LMB, Multitv goes to LMB port 1 and Mytv to LMB port 2. Alright, so this video is actually a backup video to the video that I make earlier on how to install Multitv and Mytv Africa on one satellite. Okay, so you keep watching. Okay, so after connecting your DiSEqC, the next thing you have to do is to change the settings in your dish settings or your installation, and then you go ahead to scan to get your FTA channels. Alright, so any decoder that you are using, or if you are using an inbuilt flat screen television, all you have to do is to press menu on your remote, and then the first page, either you're gonna find satellite dish settings installation or satellite installation over there. So here I have here satellite over here, so you go to satellite and then you follow up to satellite settings. Okay, so here these are the satellite names. Okay, satellite names. So here with the satellite names, I'm first gonna scan for my Multitv FTA channels, and then I'll move on to scan for my TV FTA channels. You cannot scan both channels at the same time, so you need to do it step by step. Okay, so you scan for one satellite channels and then you go ahead to scan for another satellite channels. So here with the satellite name, I'm gonna scan for Multitv FTA channels first. So here with the satellite name, the Multitv satellite name is Astra 2A 2B 28 degrees east. So here is it, but you can select any satellite ranging from 16 degrees east to at least 60 degrees east. Okay, so let's select the Multitv satellite, and then here every FTA decoder, you're gonna get some command down here. So as you can see, you have go to. When you press go to on your remote, you're gonna go to your transponder list. But this a satellite finder is different from your decoder that you are using at home. But with the red, yellow and green button over there, you're gonna find it on any FTA remote, FTA decoder remote. Okay, so with that command, you have here red, green, yellow and blue. So if you press red on your remote, it's gonna command it to add. Okay, so here I need to add the Multitv frequency and symbol rate. So I need to go to the transponder list. So for me to be able to go to transponder list, I need to press on the go to on my remote. Okay, so if you find your FTA decoder to be the same thing, you need to press on the go to, and then it will take you to the transponder list for you to add your frequency and symbol rate. Alright, so you press on go to. So here you need to add the Multitv frequency and symbol rate. You can search from the list if you cannot find it inside, and then you need to add it. So with the add, there is command over here, red. You press red on your remote for the add page to pop up. Okay, so you press red, and then here you need to add Multitv frequency, which is 12525 12525. Okay, 3000. Okay, polarity vertical, and then you add. Okay, so transponder already existed, so you need to go back and then you search from the list. Okay, so here is it. Okay, then you highlight it. So here you can go ahead, you can go straight to scan before changing the settings over here, the DiSEqC number that you choose. Okay, that you insert your cable. So here, but if I already insert your cable in the DiSEqC and you don't change the DiSEqC settings over there, you're not gonna get your signal. Okay, so I selected DiSEqC number 1. Okay, so here you select your DiSEqC, your LNB number that you insert your DiSEqC cable, your LNB cable into the DiSEqC, and then you go back, you save it. You can scan it over here, but with my FTA finder over here, if I scan it over here, I'm not gonna get the manual, the branch scan. Okay, for you to get more FTA channels, you need to branch scan your decoder before. So here you go back, let's go straight to branch scan. Okay, so here I need to perform the scan over here for me to get the branch scan option. So you press blue on your remote for you to branch scan. So with the scan mode, then you change from default or manual scan to branch scan. Okay, and then you press OK to proceed. Alright, so you wait for it to complete the scanning. Alright, so after scanning for Multitv FTA channels, you need to scan for Mytv African FTA channels. So these are some of the list of Multitv FTA channels. So the amount of channels that you're gonna get will depend on the quality percentage that you got when tracking for the signal. Okay, so make sure that you get more percentage when tracking for the signal. So here you go to menu, and then you scan for Mytv Africa FTA channels. So menu, satellite, and then one trick here is that if you use the same satellite name to scan for Mytv African FTA channels, one is gonna work. Maybe Multitv is gonna work and Mytv is not gonna work. If you on the decoder for the first time, if you put it on Multitv channel, all the Multitv channels is gonna work and Mytv Africa is not gonna work. So all you have to do is to use different satellites to scan for each satellite signal. Okay, satellite channel. So here you select any satellite ranging from 16 degrees upwards. So let's select this satellite. Okay, and then you go to the transponder for you to add the Mytv African frequency and signal rate. Alright, so you press go to on your remote, go to, and then here you come to add, red to add. Okay, so here frequency, which is 10804 10804 and 3000 horizontal, and then you save it. Okay, so and then you mark. Okay, come to this page, this side of the page, and you change the DiSEqC to DiSEqC LNB2, and then you save. And you can go straight to scan before changing the DiSEqC number. It will depend on how you do it. Okay, so here you go back, depending if you have branch scan option over here. Most of the decoders, you're gonna have some command over here to branch scan it straight away. So if you have a command over here to press on your remote to branch scan, you just press on your remote and then you go ahead to branch scan it. So here with my satellite finder, I need to go back before I can get the branch scan option. So here, and then I'll go to blue to scan. Okay, now I select blind scan. Okay, so here no, where's it here? Okay, okay, so these are some of the channels you're gonna get on my TV Africa FTA. Alright, so if you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe and then hit the bell icon. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.